Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sunday Home Recipe. Mama call back Sunday Home Recipe. Sende di kan a share a video. Remember rem to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like. No me notification bell no. Say the video bia beto wa sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Nibesuan sebeye yogurt ice cream. All ingredients are rated in the description box below. What day? 1 1/3 cup homemade yogurt, and I say store-bought yogurt. Person say the yogurt na link in the description box or okwa behu. Egu bomo na de 1/4 cup heavy cream aka ho. 2 tablespoons sugar. 1/3 cup milk. What the vanilla aka ho. No we beating it together. When we are no akata now they are freezer for 2 hours. After 2 hours, no, and send ya to us. 2 hours need to pay na way na wa beating the beam. Beating na da kogu bo fufuro mu. Wakata so no we freeze for 4 hours. After 4 hours, na we ye fi freezer. Na wa serve. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. We no strawberry fresh one abetimi ayusu and ase we be abetimi ede ayusu woni bia on fire de enka ho eye optional. Ice cream biscuit abetimi de aka ho aserve. Yep, ma chose ndi di kan a wo hwe video a memma rem subscribe na wa share na wa like no me notification bell no say the video bia beto a wo sabeka. Me na me taste and it tastes really great. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our yogurt ice cream recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.